panels, as our opposition team, we will still forcing children to take a formal education, compared with the opposition team that allowing the prioritizing of formal education that we believe make a new problematic issue in the South school. First, as a child, they would not having a backup plan if they are not succeeding towards digital creator. Secondly, we believe the creative digital is without a strict formal education will not make a prospective job in the status quo. So as a goal, we want child is having a conventional job like a doctor, engineer, a lawyer, etc. throughout the formal education. Okay, and before I enter my argumentation, let's see my rebuttal. I bring one rebuttal, that is when the proposition team said that child pursue their own successes, we should allowing their child to pursue their own successes. Why is allowing child to pursue their own successes is wrong? 3 reasons. First, let's see the characterization of the children itself. We believe children is always pragmatic and not yet rational. That means they are not doesn't really have a capability to choose their own path of life. This is due to lack of their experience as they are still young. So they are not thinking of the cost and benefit of their path they choose, right? Secondly, they are not yet having a stance as a human. They are very unstable and liable, right? This is made them very deceived because of the trend that happened in the TikTok or some hype of the career that might happen in status quo. This is going to be bad because digital creation is very fluctuated, that is very dependent on the demand of the society that I will elaborate later in my argumentation. Thirdly, we believe their view of successes is going to be toxic. Because in the end you are searching for popularity, right? Because your successes is doesn't really have a limitation. You are always comparing towards more popular people. So in the end, when you are doesn't really achieve that popularity, you are going to be sad and more depressed because you are doesn't really having efforts towards that popularity. Okay, enter my argumentation. I bring two burden. Firstly, in my first argumentation, I'm gonna be talk about why in the principle this motion could be justified. Enter my first argumentation, sub A, why we should directing child towards formal education. We believe conventional job is more prospective, having a more prospective value compared towards digital creator. A, we must realize that job that look like a doctor, lawyer, etc. is always needed as long as we human is still living in status quo. This kind of job is more sustainable because the demand itself is always constant. Like for example, first, there's no way that even everybody is going to be healthy and no need about the doctor. There's always some problem that needed a doctor to resolve it. Secondly, there's a concrete supply and demand that could be predicted by yourself. For example, seller and buyer that is seeing the capital market, or beside that there is a lawyer and their client, right? But let's we compare with the digital creator. We believe they are having an unsustained prospect. Why? First, we believe they are dependent on demand of the society that is always changing. For example, short comedy like a Vine is very hyped in 2016, but now it's not that hype, right? For example, as Zelle that is not having low engagement and low views in nowadays, that is actually there in 2016 and etc. They are very hot. Secondly, there is a difference of the starting point. There is an unfairness happening in status quo. Middle class people that is having starting point is low below the high class people that is in financial problem or financial aspect. This is bad because when you wanted to make a good quality, you have to have a capital like a camera, etc. to giving a selling point. So in the end, you are going to sacrifice an aspect in your life towards this capital to make a capital of like a camera and etc. Thirdly, we believe this is a toxic competitive. In the end, you are not always having a fan, but also haters. Like this is gonna giving you a bad feedback and cyberbullying, etc. This is very abstract in the status quo that is not complete, that is not accommodative by cyber police and etc. This is going to be hurt your mental because in the end you are wanted to amusing people, but in the end you are getting hated by other people. But this is also going to be this toxic competitive is also make a bad and toxic creativity. Let's see the characterization of digital creation. They are selling something towards the other people that wanted to watch them. But we believe this is going to be bad because first, they're going to make an educated content. Like they're going to make a pranks or make up yourself to being a clown to searching an engagement and views towards in the status quo. because in the end this is what people wanted, and they are want to see this uneducated content. Or secondly, there's algorithm in YouTube and TikToks that they force a creator to follow the trends that happen in status quo. So in the end, this is gonna killing the creativity they had in the start, and they tend to following the trends that happen in status quo. This is behavior is likely because they are having a bad standardization of their successes. They are wanted to be success as fast as possible. So in the end, they are gonna searching the fastest way to become more popular people. Okay, let's see the should be. Why parents should intervening child choose? Why in the principle and morality this is justified? First, we believe parent is more experienced in life. They will know anything that you needed in life. Like they are gonna know what is cost and benefit towards MIPA and EPS in high school or in the other majority in the university. So they are knowing soul and children in life. In the end, no parent wanting to their child that having a miserable life. So because in the end, parent is having an obligation to make their child to be happy, right? Secondly, we believe parent is entity that most closer to the child. So they wouldn't make their child towards something that bad for them and harm for them. So in the end, they're going to choose the best choose towards the child. So in the end, the child could live happily. Okay, enter the second argumentation why our world is going to be better than the proposition team. Okay, in our world, we are already having a characterization of a fixed supply and demand. So they are having, so in the end, they are having a consideration of their job in the end. So if they are successful, they're gonna be, it's gonna be long term because the supply and demand is gonna be a lot and fixed, right? So if you are fail in life, so in our side they are fail in life, you are still valuable because you have a high education and also have a legitimate certification that hard to get. Like for example, you are a doctor from UGM, you are still that valuable even if you are not having a job like a doctor in right now. But let's see that the compare with the proposition team. We believe their prospect is going to be very fluctuative. That their successes is very temporary because they are depend on the trends or the demand of the people itself. Not being said, if they are fail in life, they are not that valuable because they are not that amusing anymore. They are going to be hard to get more views and more engagement because people is already bored towards you because what content you made is already watched by people and people already seeing other content that is more fresh and more amusing than you. So in the end, you are having a hard time in the success because your success is going to be temporary. And secondly, if you are a failure, you are doesn't that valuable and having hard time to find a new job. So we proud to propose.